guys, in today's video I'll be showing you an anti-aging skin tightening face pack to clear wrinkles and make you look younger than your age. This face pack will get rid of wrinkles, fade discoloration, and remove 20 years from your age. The first thing you'll be needing is egg, raw egg. But in this egg, I'll be using only the egg white. I will remove the egg yolk. That is because egg white works to get rid of wrinkles. I'll be using the strainer because I don't want the egg yolk to enter inside, and also because I want to get a little quantity of the egg white. After getting the egg white, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of green tea, 2 teaspoons of green tea, then 2 teaspoons of raw honey. I'll be adding raw honey to the mixture. Once I have added these ingredients together, remember I use egg whites. I also add green tea and the raw honey. Then after adding these 3 ingredients, you have to properly mix them well. After mixing those ingredients together, then you have to gently apply it all over your face. You can also use it on your neck. It's your choice. So apply it all over your face. Leave it for 15 good minutes on your face, then wash it off with clean water. You will notice a skin glowing effect. Please like this video. Egg white helps to tighten the skin. It has a very skin tightening effect on the skin. Egg white helps to remove wrinkles from the face and remove dark spots. Green tea has also a skin tightening effect, and it also helps to get rid of wrinkles from the face and fade discoloration. Green tea also helps to remove wrinkles and remove 20 years from age. And honey helps to moisturize the skin. Like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks.